Hi everyone, welcome to BBES Polytechnic Bagalkot. Here in this video, today I am going to explain you how to add COs, add CO master, enter IA marks and take average IA report of a students by using an staff. So first what we have to do is we have to use a staff login ID and credentials which will be given for the particular staff. Okay, and after logging into it, this is how the dashboard of a staff will be seen. So then what we have to do is we have to go on left side, we have to click on the left side, we will find a menus. In the menu, in the last second, we will find an IA module. Click on IA module. In the IA module menu, we will have a sub menus as I add COs, add CO master, enter marks, average IA report, and then so on. So first, I am going to show you how to add in COs for a particular IA. So click on add COs. Once you click on add COs, this is how the course outcome, CO is nothing but course outcome page will be displayed. So we have to choose a current year, in which year we are present. Okay, I am going to choose a 2021, and then we have to select the course and semester of a particular current year. So I'm going to select 5th semester E&E engineering. Okay, then we have to choose a shift. Okay, once you have selected the shift, we need to add a program subjects. So that is transformer and AC motors. Make sure blanks like current year, course and semester, shift and program subjects. If we don't fill any one, the whatever the course outcomes is going to come, that would be displayed. So click on display. Once we have displayed, this is how the course outcomes will be, CO statements will be visible. Okay, we have already added few of the CO statements. I'll show you adding a new CO statement, that is 7th IA marks. Okay, once you add it, you can save it. So this is how the CO statements has been added successfully. So if you refresh and see it, so the CO statement which we have added as a 7th IA marks will be displayed. If you want, you can edit this CO by changing the name or adding a new statement for this. If not, you can delete. I have already had a six COs, so I am going to delete this extra CO. This is how we are going to add a COs for the particular subject. Okay, next I am going to show you how to add or map the CO master. Okay, so what we have to do for that, so I am going to show you again. So what we have to go, IA module, add CO master. Here we are going to add or map the CO master. So if you click on that as CO master, this is how the CO master page will be displayed. Here we are going to enter the CO marks. Okay, so select current year, make sure you are filling all this, and then we are going to add the course and semester, 5th semester. Then we are going to choose a shift, first shift, and then we are going to select the program subjects, transformer and AC motor, and then we need to add an internal assessment. We have to choose. So there are like many internal, like student activity theory, drawing sheets, IA, for which particular assessment we are going to add marks. We need to choose that particular assessment. See, I am choosing this internal theory assessment, and I am not choosing the subject. I am just clicking on display. So this is how the error we are going to get, like this, like object. So we have missed any one here, so we are getting a error. So what I am going to choose, so make sure you are filling all the subjects or course, semester, shift, whatever it is, we are filling all that. So transformers and AC motor. Then I am going to select the internal as IA 1 test theory. Then I am going to give a scale value. So for theory subjects, it is usually 12. The scale value is, we are going to add that scale value and then display. Once you click on a display, you need to add a CO statement. For which CO statement we are going to add this marks. Okay, so I am going to choose CO1 first IA marks. Okay, and we have CO2 like 6 COs which we added, that COs will be there. So I'm going to choose it as a CO1 first IA marks, and I'm going to add a marks. Without adding a marks, I'm clicking to save. See, it won't get saved. We need to add a marks. Make sure whatever we are doing, we are entered here properly. Data has been saved successfully. Once the data has been saved successfully, next what we have to do, now we have to go for enter marks. So we have what we did, we have chosen the course marks. Now we are going to add a CO marks now. Okay, particular CO marks we are going to add. We have added the core CO marks. Then now we are going to enter the marks for the particular subject. So for that we are going to choose the current year, then course and the semester, and then for which shift. Okay, and then we are going to choose a subject, transformers and AC motor, the same subject, and then for a first year theory. So I am going to click on display. So to calculate the CO wise marks, like we will get how to calculate these marks here. So as you can see, with the serial number, register number, the students names will be displayed, and if CO1 CO2 has been added, like which we have added, for one CO it is maximum is 12 marks, and then CO2 it is minimum 5 marks. As you can see, we have added a 12 marks. If you are going to change it as a 15, then it will be shown as 15. I'll show that also again. So we are going to add a CO master. Go to CO master, then choose the same particular 2021 course 5th semester, then shift, first shift, select the subject, internal assessment first theory, then scale value I am giving is 15. Here the scale value is 12, there we have to choose it as a 15. So display, so go CO statement, first IA CO statement is so as you can see, enter marks, go to there, it has been already saved successfully. Then choose as you can see, we have added that 15, now it is coming, see. So the CO has become 15. So we are going to scale down into 12. The average theory marks, like it will be scaled down to 12 marks, and the CO1 and CO2 will be 15 and 5. So same way we can add CO2, okay, and then we have to give the marks for that. So now I am going to show you by adding the marks and how to calculate the CO-wise marks for a particular student. So I am going to take this CO marks and show you. So I am going to choose a 19EL002. So I am going to add first as 6 as 2. Then what we have to do? So attendance has been status is right marked. If you click on it, it shows as absent. So nothing will be displayed here. As you can see, if you are marked as absent, so CO marks will be displayed. If you are marking it as a present, then choose it as 6. And this as 2, then calculate the CO wise marks. Once you click on calculate CO wise marks, so as you can see, total obtained will be 8. 6 plus 2 is 8, and the scale down to 12. For 12 marks we are reducing it, so average will be 4 for 12 marks. This is how the student CO marks will be calculated. Then we are going to save it. This is how we are going to add a CO marks and enter the CO wise marks. So as you can see, we have saved the marks. Then I will show you how to take an average IA report. So then go to average IA report, then click on select all this, current year, then department, and then shift 1 and the subject, particular subject for which we have added a IA marks. Then click on display. Once you click on it, As you can see, we will get the average IA report. See, as you can see here, we have added the average report for a particular student. So our test one is 8. CO1 and CO2 will be total added, like calculated, and we will get 1 total marks, and the scale down. Okay, so it is scale down, and the total marks, particular marks will be given like this. If you want, we can generate it in an Excel sheet, or we can generate it in a PDF form. So if you want to generate it in Excel sheet, click on generate in Excel sheet. This is how, like, it will be get downloaded. If not, you can generate it in a PDF form. It will come like this. So you can save it as a PDF, or you can take a direct print out. Thank you.